Hello everyone, welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, today actually I have to go to a place which is known as Versova. So I'm going there for a particular work. So reaching there, I would like to show you Versova, and I would try to go to Versova beach because I have heard about it. So today's blog is about Versova and its beach. If I get any good market, I will shoot. If I don't get, so after completion of my work, I will directly go to Versova beach and shoot the video, guys. So stay connected. Thank you. So guys, right now I am at Versova. So I am near this Versova metro station, and I have to go to Ratan Nagar for some work, but I don't know where this Ratan Nagar is. Let me ask someone whether the person knows or not. I can show you this place, Versova place. भाई इधर रतन नगर किधर है? यही है? यहाँ से जाना है? यहाँ से ऐसे सीधे जाना है? पहले ओके. So I have to go straight and take left to reach Ratan Nagar, and after completion of my work, then I'll go to Versova beach. It is going to be 3:30 in the afternoon. So it would be good to go to beach at 5 o'clock or maybe 4:30. Let's see how much time I take to complete my work. So I'm going to show you this entire area of Versova. ये रतन नगर 7 बंगलो इधर ही है, इधर जाना है. ऐसे है,
लेफ्ट मार के कॉर्नर तक जाओ.
अच्छा.
कॉर्नर जाएंगे ना,
हाँ हाँ.
लेफ्ट मार के एक राइट.
ओके ओके. और जैसे मेट्रो स्टेशन से कोई दूसरा रास्ता था क्या? मैं इधर यहाँ तक आ गया,
पीछे से ही था मेट्रो.
वही मैंने गलती कर दी. ठीक है, मैं ऐसे जाके और उधर हो जाऊँ.
लेफ्ट मार के एंड तक जाओ, फिर लेफ्ट मारो.
ओके,
राइट है.
ठीक ठीक ठीक. थैंक यू थैंक यू. Fine guys, so left maro फिर right maro, he said. So I have to go straight, take a left turn, then right. So I have to go to 7 Bungalow Ratan Nagar in Versova. So it's a first experience, so if you don't know about the roads, about the location, so definitely you're gonna ask. And I can also use map, but the problem with me is that whenever I use map takes me to some other location. So I rarely believe maps and all. So okay, it's better. Let's ask somebody and reach the location. I'm not saying that map is not good, but I have always had bad experience with map. Fine guys, let's see the place. See the place, Versova. Okay, 7 Bungalow. I've heard this 7 Bungalow, I have heard, but when I was in Noida, I heard somewhere that there is 7 Bungalow in Mumbai. So now I am going. See, my God, look at the trees, coconut trees. Wow, it is also a beautiful place, Versova. So I have to go this side, so I am going. Fine guys, so I have done my work, and now I have to go to the nearby beach. This area is known as Versova, so I have to go to Versova beach, and I have come to know that there are many beaches here. So I have to go to the nearby beach, which is 7 Bungalow beach. So before that I would like to go for a coconut water. So Here we see the coconut water. कितने का है भाई यहाँ? 60. इधर का जो 7 बंगलों वाला बीच है ना, नज़दीक वाला, उधर जाने का. गिराओ गिराओ मीटर गिराओ. Fine guys, so I am at Versova beach. I am going to show you. This is near 7 Bungalows beach. You have already seen Juhu beach. Now we have to see Versova beach. So 3, 2, 1 and here we go. See. Are you able to see something? Yes. Versova beach. See what is written here. Versova police Thane. What is this? Thane. Okay. So see guys, look at the beach. Here you can see Lord Ganesha. Jai Shri Ganesh. And here you can see the beach. Amazing, eh? Beautiful place. Wow. Look at it, guys. Beautiful place. Here I think you can do horse riding also. Look at some horses. You can do horse riding and look at this whole area, guys. Here you can see some bungalows, some flats, towers, whatever you call them. I mean the houses are here near the beach, and there is the main road near the beach, and here you can see the entire beach. Such a beautiful place. Versova beach. Let me ask how much it takes for horse riding. Beach. What happened to this horse? Look at this horse. कितना है एक राइड का?
100 रुपीज़ है.
और कितनी दूर तक जाना है? अरे अकेले जाना है? अच्छा,
पहला ग्रुप बुला लो सर.
ओके. और गिरा दिया तो ठीक है, फाइन. चलो मैं आपको वीडियो में लेता हूँ. सो गाइज, दिस गाय इज आस्किंग मी फॉर हॉर्स राइडिंग. ही सेइंग he'll take 100 रुपीज़ फॉर हॉर्स राइडिंग. भरोसा है गिराएगा नहीं?
नहीं भरोसा है.
ओके, चलिए नाम बताइए अपना. क्या नाम है?
अमित.
अमित. ये वर्सोवा बीच है, 7 बंगलों वाला. चलो तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस हॉर्स राइडिंग. फाइन. सो मैं जब चढ़ूँगा ना तो आप ले लो. कैसे?
ऐसे रखो ना सर.
हाँ, ऐसे अब वो दूर से आ जाओ ताकि पूरा दिखाई देगा.
ठीक.
हाँ, ये घोड़ा दिखाई दे रहा चढ़ते हुए. हाँ, ऐसे आप पकड़ना. यहाँ से देखो कि मैं दिख रहा हूँ यहाँ. दिख रहा हूँ?
बरोबर.
फाइन गाइस.
थोड़ा अंदर उसको समझ. बहुत अच्छा कैमरा है.
So guys, you can see I am doing horse riding. Okay, चलिए भैया.
हल्का हल्का, ज्यादा जोर मत डालो. हल्का नॉर्मल. एक लंबर. सीधा जाओ, सीधा जाओ, सीधा जाओ. जाओ सीधा मेरे घोड़े पे बैठो सवार हट ये हट
So guys, after enjoying the horse riding, now I would like to stand over there. I can show you. Over there, though it seems a little dangerous. Then I would say the Juhu Beach Chowpatty, because you can see the level of water. It seems quite high. So however, I would like to just stand over there. So I will have to remove my shoes, and I have brought my slippers. So I'm going to put on my slippers and stand over there. So guys, I have explored this Versova beach, and I have shot my English YouTube video also here at the beach related to passive. Now I am going back to my home, guys. I don't feel like eating anything here because I am on dieting. So I have taken one coconut water, that's okay. Once again, I'm going to show you. So this is the area. Look at the sun. I cannot wait for sunset. I need to go. Akshat must be waiting for me. So this is all, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in another episode, guys. So thank you. Bye, guys.
Wow! Come on, can you move it over? That's it, baby. I know you.